A master's degree in AI from a US university costs between $50,000 and $90,000 and takes 2 years to complete. 2 years where you're not earning, you're burning savings, and you're betting that what you studied in year 1 is still relevant when you graduate. Meanwhile, the average AI skilled professional now earns 56% more than peers in the same role without those skills, and most of them never set foot in a graduate program. They earn specific, recognized certifications that took them months instead of years and cost them under $500 total. I have reviewed dozens of AI certifications and built training programs for thousands of students learning AI and digital skills. And I will be straight with you. Most AI certifications out there are a waste of money, and employers know it. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exceptions, 7 AI certifications that can land you the same 6-figure roles a master's degree opens in a fraction of the time and cost. For each one, I will tell you exactly what you will learn, how long it takes, what it costs, and the kind of roles and salaries you can expect once you are certified. Stay until the end because I will also give you a simple 3-question framework that tells you exactly which one to pick for your situation. Let's get into it. First up is the NVIDIA Certified Associate Generative AI LLMs. NVIDIA launched this credential to validate one of the most in-demand skill sets in the entire AI job market right now, building applications with large language models. The training covers transformer architecture, prompt engineering, retrieval-augmented generation, fine-tuning, and LLM deployment. About 70% of the content is platform-agnostic LLM fundamentals you would use anywhere, with the rest covering NVIDIA's own stack, like NeMo, Triton, and TensorRT LLM. The exam itself is 1 hour, 50 multiple-choice questions, and costs $125. Most candidates need 4 to 6 weeks of focused preparation. You should already know basic Python and have some exposure to machine learning concepts before sitting for it. This is the cert I would point anyone to who wants the fastest, most affordable way to break into the generative AI space. And it is a well-paid space. Glassdoor puts the US average for a generative AI engineer at around $110,000, with the typical range running from roughly $83,000 to $154,000. Number 2 is the IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate, hosted on Coursera. This is a deeper, application-focused program designed to make you fully job-ready as a generative AI engineer. The curriculum runs across 16 courses where you will learn to build chatbots and AI applications using models like GPT, BERT, and Llama. You will work hands-on with frameworks like LangChain, Hugging Face transformers, and Flask. You will master prompt engineering, retrieval-augmented generation, and fine-tuning, and you will deploy real applications by the end of the program. It takes about 3 to 4 months at 10 hours per week. It is available through Coursera Plus at $49 per month, so the total cost lands between $150 and $200 if you finish efficiently. You will need basic Python knowledge to get the most out of it, but the program assumes no prior AI experience. This is one of the highest ROI programs on the market in 2026. Generative AI engineers and AI developers are some of the most aggressively hired roles right now. ZipRecruiter puts the average salary at around $115,000 per year. Number 3 is brand new Azure AI App and Agent Developer Associate certification from Microsoft. The training focuses on Azure AI Foundry, multi-agent orchestration, Azure OpenAI Service, retrieval-augmented generation pipelines, and responsible AI governance. You will learn to build production AI applications and agents, not just call APIs. The exam costs $165, and most candidates need around 8 weeks of preparation. There are no strict prerequisites, but Microsoft recommends you have working knowledge of Python or C# and some hands-on experience with Azure before attempting it. This certification is the credential to hold if you are targeting Microsoft-heavy enterprises, which includes a massive portion of the Fortune 500. ZipRecruiter puts the US average for an Azure AI engineer at around $112,000, with senior and specialized roles climbing well past $150,000, and demand is climbing fast as enterprises race to deploy agentic AI systems. Quick pause. If this breakdown is helping you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people figuring out their AI career. And subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns like this one. All right, next up. Number 4 is the AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. AWS launched this in late 2024, specifically to validate engineers who can take machine learning models all the way to production. The exam covers the full ML lifecycle on AWS. You will need to know how to ingest and transform data, train and tune models, choose deployment infrastructure, set up CI/CD pipelines for ML workflows, and monitor models in production. The core service you will master is Amazon SageMaker, along with Bedrock and other AWS ML services. The exam costs $150, runs 130 minutes, and most candidates prepare for around 8 weeks. The recommended prerequisite is at least 1 year of experience with SageMaker or related AWS ML services, plus comfort with Python and basic ML concepts. This cert maps directly to machine learning engineer roles, and the pay is strong. Depending on the source, US averages run from about $129,000 on ZipRecruiter to $162,000 on Built-in, with senior roles regularly clearing $200,000. If your target employers run on AWS, this is the cert that gets you in the door. Number 5 is the Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification. This is one of the most respected ML credentials on the market, and recruiters actively filter for it on LinkedIn. The training covers the entire ML lifecycle on Google Cloud, designing, building, productionizing, and optimizing machine learning systems using Vertex AI. You will work with real deployment scenarios and learn to solve production-grade problems, not just train models in notebooks. The exam costs $200, and most candidates prepare for about 2 months. Google recommends at least 3 years of industry experience overall, with at least 1 year working on ML solutions specifically on Google Cloud. You will also need solid Python skills and a working knowledge of statistics. Google Cloud is the platform of choice for many of the fastest-moving AI startups and a number of enterprise giants. This cert also maps to machine learning engineer roles, so you are looking at those same US averages, roughly 129,000 to 162,000, with senior roles going well beyond 200,000. Number 6 is the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera. This is the broadest, most comprehensive program on the list, and the one I would point anyone to who wants to seriously commit to becoming an AI engineer. The curriculum spans 13 courses covering machine learning, deep learning with PyTorch, Keras, and TensorFlow, neural network architectures, transformer models, fine-tuning, retrieval-augmented generation, and agentic workflows. You will write real Python code and ship real models throughout the program. It takes about 4 months at 10 hours per week. The total cost runs around $200 through Coursera Plus if you finish in 4 months. You will need a working knowledge of Python going in, plus high school level math and basic data analysis skills. This is one of the most recognized AI engineering credentials with employers, and the curriculum is genuinely deep. Graduates move into AI engineer and machine learning engineer roles, where US averages land between roughly $129,000 and $162,000, and senior engineers earn well over $200,000. Number 7 is the DeepLearning.AI Deep Learning Specialization, taught by Andrew Ng. This is the program that gives you the deepest theoretical foundation in modern AI, and Andrew Ng's name carries serious weight with hiring managers. The specialization runs across 5 courses covering deep neural networks, hyperparameter tuning and optimization, structuring machine learning projects, convolutional neural networks for computer vision, and sequence models for natural language processing. You will learn the math and the intuition behind why these models work, not just how to use them. It takes about 3 months at 10 hours per week. It is available on Coursera at $49 per month, so the total cost is typically around $150. You will need intermediate Python skills and familiarity with basic calculus and linear algebra to keep up. This is the program that prepares you to actually explain neural networks in a technical interview, which is exactly what separates candidates who get senior offers from those who get stuck at junior roles. The average salary data for deep learning roles is close to $145,000 in the US. All right, so which one should you actually pick? 3 quick questions. 1. Can you code in Python at all? If no, learn Python first and come back to this video. Every certification on this list needs it. If yes, you are ready, and the next 3 questions narrow it down. 2. Do you want to build the AI models yourself or build applications that use them? If you want to build and train models, look at IBM AI Engineering, the AWS ML Engineer, the Google ML Engineer, or the DeepLearning.AI Specialization. If you want to build applications and agents on top of models, look at IBM Generative AI Engineering, Microsoft AI 103, or the NVIDIA NCA Genel. 3. Which cloud platform do your target employers use? If they run on AWS, the AWS ML Engineer is your pick. Microsoft-heavy enterprises go with AI 103. Google Cloud companies, the Google ML Engineer. And if you are not tied to a platform yet, the IBM and NVIDIA certs are cloud agnostic. Here is your first step. Whatever your answers pointed to, open Coursera tonight, start the free 7-day trial, and audit the first course of that program. Within 4 hours, you will know whether you can handle the full curriculum. If you can, you are 3 to 6 months away from being qualified for roles paying well into 6 figures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.